Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Silicon Valley Gardener. Since Ganesh festival is coming up, let's see how we can make an eco-friendly Ganesh idol using clay from our backyard garden. It is a fun process. First I'm gonna collect the soil from various areas of the garden. Then I'm gonna prepare the soil and I'm gonna hang the soil so we get the soft clay. And then we'll start making the idols. Let's jump into the process. First step is you can collect any soil from your backyard garden. That's what I'm doing here. Once the soil is ready, I will now prepare the soil. I'll add water to the soil and use a wooden stick to mix it well, and I'm gonna mix it really well this way. And once everything is mixed well, I'll let it sit undisturbed for 30 minutes. So this way all the waste or residue would float on the top. I'm going to use a mug to remove all that water on the top. So once that is done, I'll filter that water. So that's the residue that you've seen. Then I'm going to add more water and mix it really well. And this time I'm going to use my hand to break any solid particles that are at the bottom. Once that is done, I'll let it sit for another 30 minutes undisturbed. So after that we can go ahead and filter the water. So once you're done filtering the water, I'm going to use a soft cloth and I'm going to filter the water again, so that way I can remove all the excess water in the soil and I can only get the soft clay that's needed for making the idol. So now we have the clay ready. I'll go ahead and start making the idol now. So initially I'll start with making the idol base where the idol is gonna be placed. So I'm gonna make a double base, so that way it will be stronger. So I couldn't capture the whole process because it was a little difficult for me to capture it while making, since my hands were dirty. So what I did is once I'm done, this is how I tried to capture the formation of the idol that I have done. So this is how it looks. I have done 2 idols because there is so much clay. So I thought I would make 2 and select best out of 2. So that's the reason I made 2 of them. So this is how they look. Then I used a simple acrylic paint pens that I had to make a simple design on one of the idol that I have done. So this is how it looks. So I made this simple mouse on the bottom. Yeah, I hope you like this. And here is my little helper helping me in painting this idol. So she's all excited about this process. This is another idol that I have done. but this is almost similar to the earlier one, except that it has a base in the bottom. I didn't want it to paint this, so I tried to use the turmeric powder and sindoor. Like I tried to give it a simple design in the border. It's like a village style design, not a lot of fancy design or anything. I also tried to make another craft item, which is an umbrella to the idol. Every year I always wanted to get this. I looked around online, and they are super expensive, so I always thought of making one, but I never got time to do that. So this year I wanted to do that with whatever is in the house. So I looked around, tried to find some material, and make this umbrella. And I just wanted to show this, just to give you all an idea, because in case if you are planning to get one, you can just see this, and if in case you get an idea, you can just make it at home, and you don't have to buy online or look for something outside. So I hope you like this. So here it is, guys. So this is how I tried to use the garden soil to make the soft clay, and I used that clay to make these idols. It gave me an immense satisfaction to make these clay and then make the idols with that clay. You can get the idols outside, you can buy them, but in case you want to have the fun of making these idols, so this is the process. And hope you like my video. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.